sorry to bother you, ma'am, but have you seen this girl by chance? She went missing around here. Her name's Maria.
Why don't you come on inside and have a seat? Let me get a better look.
You sure? I don't want to intrude.
Oh, nonsense. I wouldn't hear of it. Come on in, sweetie. Oh, now would you look at that? Ain't she a pretty little thing? Is this your sister?
Girlfriend, and I'm getting pretty worried about her.
That's just horrible. You want some of this here tea, honey? It's fresh.
No, thank you, ma'am. I'm in a bit of a hurry, if you don't mind.
Oh. Well, you know what? I think I do recognize her. Yeah. She come round here sticking her pretty little nose where it don't belong. You ain't never gonna find her. And they ain't never gonna find you. You little shit! How dare you!
Look at all of this pretty blood.
It's playtime.
Don't worry, Johnny. I'll help you clean this mess up.
Didn't have to be this way, you know? You just had to come looking for that floozy of yours, didn't you? Gonna find that pretty little... This type of behavior tends to occur when you go moseying around other people's homes. Now where are you squirming off to? Hard times is good for people. I know how to raise them. Look at my Johnny. This'll... Don't you think I know what you come here looking for? Where is it exactly you think you're going?
Always covering up his
Where are you
mess.
squirming off to? I am a suitable mother. Don't you judge me.
Women with the snakes I see. Oh, oh. Devil's breath inside of me. Oh, oh. Demons in the sand. Fingers on devil man's hand.
I could use some of this
For always is always forever. 'Cause one is
Just come on out now. Ain't no use in delaying things. Sorry to tell you this, but ain't none of y'all getting out of here alive.
just give you and sweet.
Do you know what happens to bodies when you plant them? They help the flowers real good. Don't you dare talk about my husbands like that, devil girl.
These others around here ain't so understanding. How can I help you?
I told you! Stay away from my Johnny! I always did like you.
When the eagle flies under
I'll find you. I promise. Squirming little bastards. Where did you go? Hard times is good for people. I know how to raise them. Look at my Johnny. I haven't had a chase like this in some time.
Texas with horrific depictions of famine and the macabre. Nearby active officers may involve remote Odessa sheriffs, investigating evidence authorities locally intercepted years ago.
Look at that. I didn't know we had visitors. It didn't have to be this way, you know. You just had to come looking for that floozy of yours, didn't you? Will you tell them boys of yours to do something already?
You can't hide from me!
I could use some of this myself.
Around here somewhere.
Don't you think I know what you come here looking for? Now where did you go?
I know you're still here, sunshine. I can feel you. Damn, Johnny! I'm always covering up these messes.
My herald always said, if you can't do something right, don't do it at all. Now come get your punishment.
How much?
They gonna find that pretty little face of yours under my floorboard if you ain't careful. This constant running around is getting a little tiresome now. This'll slow you down. Sorry to tell you this, but ain't none of y'all getting out of here alive. There's... Where is it exactly you think you're going? You hear the saying, murder starts in the heart? They couldn't have gone too far. Just in case you was thinking of doing so, I'd... This constant... times is good for people. I know how to raise them. Look at my Johnny. I am a suitable mother. Don't you judge me. You ain't looking too bad these days. There's things in this house I just... We get what we deserve!
Just get back here.
Your little friend had it coming. Look at him, Johnny that way. He's a sweet boy! This house ran much better when he was running things. I haven't had a chase like this in some time. I'll find you, I promise. Where is it exactly you think you're going? Don't you ever use that tone with me. Do you have any notion who you're talking to? I told you! Stay away from my Johnny. I always did like you. Oh my. Somebody's hurting real bad. Squirming little bastards! Where did you go? I know they're here. Somewhere. Ah! Do you know what happens to bodies when you plant them? They help the flowers real good. Well, look at that. Somebody's not doing so good. Next time, I'll cook you a nice, proper meal. There's things in this house I just can't let you see, darling.
This is all he's doing.
Hard times is good for people. I know how to raise
Skeeter, I'll go give you
Look at my
that.
Johnny. That is a lot of blood. It's gotta be around here somewhere.
This'll shut you up, spit.
I am a superwoman. Don't you judge me. Where is it exactly, you think? Looks like we got
Just
this.
give me, sweetie.
See where this goes. Now where are you squirming off to?
See what you mean?
Just do your job. Your little friend had it coming. Johnny that way. He's a sweet boy. It's good. Never use that tone with me. Do you have any notion who you're talking to? There's things in this house I just can't let you see, darling. Where is it exactly you think you're going? Do you know what happens to bodies when you plant them? They help the flowers real good. You little shit! How dare you!
Ayy. Bitch, I'm Chase. Ain't no ordinary killer that you face in a race. If my message ain't concrete, then I'll combine them with the pavement. I don't walk around with kitchen knives and shit, cause that be basic. And I ain't basic. Bitch, I'm Chase. Bitch, I'm Chase. Ain't no ordinary killer that you face in a race. If my message ain't concrete, then I'll combine them with the pavement. I don't walk around with kitchen knives and shit, cause that be basic. And I ain't basic. Bitch, I'm Chase.
You a pawn, boy, this is a lick, it better not say a pawn. You beyond, staying masked up with timing in my on. Speak about my mother, best believe I get you gone. And trust I ain't no motherfucker that's gon' leave you ass alone. Yeah, I'm a mama's boy. Mess with her, you left on a memorial. I don't go out on the wind, but better know I'm territorial. Finishing her work and sorry, that's just how the story goes. So when I'm in pursuit, I bust the walls like it's a glory hole. I'm messed up, leave a nigga slashed up. When it comes to moms or Crystal Lake, you better back up. Boy, I'm spitting facts, bro. I lost my damn mind, I'm finna act up. I'ma catch your body in a tent and get you sacked up. Sacked up, I'll leave his body in that sack. If I catch it where I kill it, I'll awaken from my nap. You could think you kill me off, but then it's over, it's a wrap. But like William Afton said, I always come back. Bitch, I'm Chase. Ain't no ordinary killer that you face in a race. If my message ain't concrete, then I'll